I'm not sure if I updated you guys. The mouth taping cut my lip, so I'm waiting for that to heal. But with that being said, I still really enjoy the mouth taping. I feel like it definitely improves my sleep overall. I just have to figure out a way to use it, especially with my beard. And anyways, we'll talk about that later.
Someone took the words to my song. Someone took the words to my song. The next time I write a song, there ain't gonna be no word. Let the music go on. Oh, yes, I will.
Okay, welcome back to another vlog, you guys. Today I am extremely excited. My shipment arrived and I want to share it with you guys. If you're keeping up with my vlogs, as you should be, then you know exactly what this is. Oh wait. Take that out. Look at, I'm a sucker for great packaging, great marketing, and this company does that for me. This was brutally made to hold, to burn. Exactly what I needed. Oh, you know I love good quality and I love simple and sexy items. Let's open it. I'll let you guys get the first peek. Oh. Oh. It's stunning. Okay, let's take it out. I absolutely love that it came with this sticker. I actually collect stickers, so we'll put that to the side. All right. So here is my tray. All right, and it has little feet at the bottom, so I can set that there with confidence. In one of my previous vlogs, I purchased these wood incense. Actually, I can just get them now. Thanks for waiting for me. Okay, so in my previous vlog, I purchased these wood incense. They smell amazing. The problem was I didn't really have a place to set them on. I knew I was gonna purchase, they're stunning. I knew I was gonna purchase an ashtray. I knew I was gonna purchase like an ashtray, but I couldn't find the large Cuban style ashtray that I was looking for. So I settled with this like alien looking. I'm in Atlanta, so we have a bunch of smoke shops. So I just purchased this alien looking ashtray. I mean, it did the job. It's actually not bad, but I wanted an actual tray. And I also wanted more than one. So I was on Instagram and randomly this ad popped up with this beautiful tray, and they come in multiple colors. And then you have this little indentation for your, you guys see that? And then you have your little placeholder for your lighter. I also failed to mention that with my purchase came with 3 incense that come with your purchase. And there's the little tray as advertised. These smell good. These smell really good also. So I'll definitely keep these. Oh, cool. It's a little matchbox, I do believe. All right. Awesome. I'm so happy with this purchase. I'm getting a late start to my day, so let's get a move on. All right, you guys. It's in the mid 60s, so it's actually kind of chilly. I have this opal apple that I need to eat. Fit check. I have on my Vibrams, shorts from Lululemon, shirt from Lululemon, hat is from Lululemon. So I have a couple of errands that I need to run. We need to go by Whole Foods because I need TP. Today is Monday, so I don't know if I'm going to Atlanta's Run Club, but I need to because that's usually like the only time that I run, especially, I don't know. Plus, I do like to show off and jog with my shirt off. And also, I don't know, but I don't have any shoes. But I guess I could buy a new shirt to compensate. I don't know. We'll see. Actually, speaking of Lululemon, yesterday I tried on like that V-neck golf. It's like some sort of like golf pullover. It reminds me of like the early, I don't know, it's some kind of ode to like the early somethings, some sort of throwback, but I love it. I love what they did with that. And I want it, but I know as soon as I purchase it, I'll probably only be able to wear it once, maybe twice, before it's just ridiculously too hot for the pullover. I just feel like it's a great item to have. You'll probably have it for years and it looked great. I don't know. But it's like, I feel the same about a lot of things that I purchase and then I get, we'll see. I don't know. We'll most likely make a purchase. We'll see. The issue is the Lululemon and Ponce, they don't have a lot of inventory. It actually reminds me of the Lululemon at Short Pump in Richmond, Virginia. They just don't carry a lot. And the Lululemon at Perimeter, you guys don't care. Let's go. All right, so my Uncle James passed, and I didn't see him often, but an uncle nonetheless. So I have to look for a card for the family. Yeah, I'm trying to think of what else I can send off with it. Thumbnail. All right. So we're heading to Atlanta's Run Club. As you can, well, you may not know, I didn't buy anything new. I'm doing really good just sourcing what I have in my closet and just trying to bring outfits to life. Anyways, there's a lot of people out here, so I'm gonna put my phone down and get to this meetup spot.